Hello guys, today we will learn how we can make zoom through text intro or transition video. Like this demo video which I made for demonstration. So at first import your video file to Filmora. Then go to stock media and select black color from solid color section and drag and drop into the timeline. Then go to titles and select default title and drag and drop to timeline. Now edit the text with your channel name or intro name from right side. In this video I am using intro name. Edit the text style and the text position and the text size with editing option and make sure your text is in the center of the screen like this. Take a snapshot of the screen with this button. You can find the snapshot is now added to your project media section. Now select this two and delete both of them. Drag and drop the snapshot image to timeline. Right-click on the image and go to crop and zoom option. Then go to pan and zoom option at the top. Then select the end rectangle and crop it down to small like this, and set the position to white and black area like this, and click on apply. You can see the zoom effect is done in the snapshot. Now play the video. At the end of the video take a snapshot again. Drag and drop the new snapshot to timeline. Same way go to crop and zoom, then go to pan and zoom option and crop the end rectangle to the white area of the image. After click on apply button, now you can see the zoom out effect is done. Now change the second snapshot duration to 0.05 seconds and click on save. Same way change the first snapshot duration as per your liking. Select both of the snapshot and right-click and group them together. Move up the group snapshot in the timeline. Now drag and drop the main video file into the timeline. Select the group snapshot and go to compositing option at the right side and select the multiply option from drop-down menu. Now click on render preview button and check the result. Now you can see the zoom out effect is done. Let's make zoom in effect with the first snapshot image. Drag and drop the first snapshot image in the timeline. Same way open the pan and zoom option. This time crop it down the start rectangle size to the size of the end rectangle size. Select the end rectangle and extend it to full size. You can see we have successfully made the zoom in effect. You can modify the starting screen as per your liking. I crop it down the size little bit smaller to look better. Now change the duration to below 2 seconds. If the time option not working, drag it backward from the timeline to change the duration of the zoom in effect. Now drag and drop the first snapshot and change the time duration to 1 second. Select both of the snapshot images and group them together. Move up to the second line, then select the group zoom in effect snapshot, and same way go to compositing option and select the multiply option from the drop-down menu. Now hit the render button and it's done. You can see our video is ready. If you like my work, please hit the like button and share with your friends. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.